If you want to disable the syncing in your Windows along different computers on the network, so what you can do here is just open up the start menu and right here control panel. And once we are in the control panel, we need to find the sync center. I recommend you to set the category or view type by large icons and not by category, because in the category you need to explore different options in order to get to the main section. So instead, if you change it to large icons, you can easily find the options. As you can see here, the sync center is right at the bottom. And now on the left hand side, which says manage offline files, I'll click on there. And here, if it is enabled, the offline files option is enabled, we need to click on disable offline files. So basically use offline files to keep the copies on the computer of the files stored on the network. This allows you to work with them even when you're not connected to the server is unavailable. So that's why we need to disable that and click OK. And it says that you need to restart your computer in order to make the work effective. So let's click yes. And after restarting the computer, we need to go to control panel again to make one more setting, and that is related to network and internet. So we need to find the network option. It's right here, network and sharing center. Just go in here. On the left hand side, we see this change advanced sharing settings. Just go in here. And here we need to open the private networks and the public networks, and we need to make sure that none of them are shared. So all of them should be turned off, because we need to disable the syncing in our Windows with the other network computers. So that's pretty much it, guys. After that, you can restart your PC and everything should work fine, and you will be successfully disabled from syncing in your Windows 11 computer. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.